So this is customer build that's finally finished. It's little CB400. This started life, it came to us, it was called the Red Pig, and we've nicknamed it the Black Pheasant, which is apparently a thing in shooting, as Shane, the owner, is a gamekeeper. And apparently a black pheasant, so you can't shoot a black pheasant, but anyway. So it's had a complete overhaul, refurb, everything. When you see the before pictures, which we'll put on at some point, I'm just going to do a little run through with it. First of all, it's got a plunger frame, which you don't often see, but it does. It's lovely to ride compared to a hardtail, but there's no sprung seat, all the suspension's there. We've done the complete exhaust system, which was, as you can see, is a bit wild and wonderful, but he likes it. His guy's done the paintwork, which is really nice, because he's got his flame effect, but he's lacquered over the raw steel, which is something that we've given us some ideas, but that's a real lovely pucker job. It's not I have road tested it. It's not the fastest thing in the world, but it doesn't need to be. It's surprisingly comfortable. Needs a little bit of fettling on the carbs. We're going to put it on the dyno, believe it or not, so I'll let you know what the brake horsepower is on that. Sounds lovely. Yeah, it's a cute little thing. We've had this completely apart. Obviously frame's been powder coated, been over with the engine. We've actually fabricated these bars to suit him. I know they're an off the shelf style, but we needed to alter them and tweak them for angles that he wanted. A lot of the stuff he's supplied rather than us, which is fine. And yeah, keep an eye out for this one. He's up in Derbyshire, I believe. So, and I do believe he's going to be prospecting for the Chopper Club up there. So you should see this around. Whether he calls it the Black Pheasant or something else, we're not quite sure. But yeah, there she is.